These have to be some of my favorite nails I've ever done at home, and I'm going to show you how I did it. So let's jump right in, but first subscribe to my channel for more nail videos. So last year I did coffee nails for the fall, recreating some press-ons, and this year I wanted to do my own spin on this look. Let's start with nail prep. I find I have the best retention when I do dry prep. This means no water-based cuticle softeners. Water expands your nails, and when they dry, they go back to that compact shape, which could cause lifting. I start by pushing back my cuticles with a cuticle pusher that reveals any cuticle stuck on the nail, which is the main cause of lifting. The cuticle is this white stuff stuck on the nail, and that's what I'm removing. I use the scoopy side of my cuticle pusher to get rid of as much cuticle as I can. I really take my time here because proper prep is just that important. Once I'm done, I take a buffing block and get rid of the remaining cuticle. I don't like to overfile my nails, so I stick to buffing where the cuticle is. Just make sure to pull your skin back to get into those crevices. Afterward, I clean up with a lint-free wipe and rubbing alcohol, and then further dehydrate with a nail dehydrator. I love this one from Gelish, and everything I'm using I'll link in the description. Next, I use a gel primer, which is kind of like a double-sided tape for even better adhesion. This is from the brand Model Ones, but I'm looking to experiment. So if you have a favorite primer, drop your recs in the comments, pretty please. Now it's time to paint. I start with this gel-based coat and I do a thin layer of this and cure for 60 seconds. You could go straight into the nail art here, but I'm going to go in with builder gel and build an apex for nail strength. This is called a gel overlay, and I'm planning on doing a full detailed video on that process next week, so stay tuned. I think this Kiara Sky shade, Bear With Me, is the perfect nude for my skin tone. I just do one coat of that on each nail and then cure for 60 seconds. I'm going to use 3 different colors for the nail art. The first is this chocolate brown color from Model Ones. I'm going to use this for the French tip on my thumb and middle finger. Then I use this coffee creamer color from Model Ones for the French tip on my pointer finger. For my pinky, I use this white shade from Beetles. The swirls just really made this look for me. I'm going to put these on my ring and pointer fingers using all 3 colors. Lastly, I finish off everything with a top coat, and here are my results. I honestly think I topped the coffee look from last year, but I want to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments, like this video to show your support, and of course, subscribe to my channel for more nail videos. I'll catch you next time. Bye!